Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate VR headset account step by step clearly. To activate your VR headset account, start by powering on your headset. Make sure your VR headset is fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Once powered on, navigate to the main menu. Select the option for account settings. If you already have an account, choose the login option. Enter your email address associated with your account. Next, enter your password in the provided field. If you do not have an account, select the Create Account option. Fill out the required information, including your email and password. Follow any additional prompts to complete account creation. Once logged in or your account is created, you may need to verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification message. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Return to your VR headset and refresh the account settings. You should now see your account information displayed. Customize your account settings as desired. Congratulations, your VR headset account is now activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.